All right, what's up guys? So we are going to be taking a break from the S10 teardown. I have like hours of footage that I have to go through and edit. But what we are gonna do, for those of you who don't know, which is all of you because I haven't said anything, I got a new motorcycle. So I traded in my 2017 CBR for a 2021 zx14, which there's a little peek at the S10 by the way. Obviously, I've gotten further on that. So yeah, there was 0 miles on this bike when I bought it. Now there is, I think, 219. Let's see here. 221. So I don't know if you guys can see that. 221 miles. I put all of those on there myself. That was mostly in like 2 days. I had, I think, 50 miles on it in 1 day, and then I put all the rest in one other ride with like my little riding group. So today's video obviously will be in the title. I'm going to be putting a new exhaust on this because these two giant bazooka tubes are just not cutting it. So those will be gone. I have a Voodoo 4-in-1, which I will show you here in a second. It's inside, so I have to get it. I'm gonna do a sound difference, a weight difference, and also obviously looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull a Duramax out of the garage. I will show you right now the sound. So let's get a little before. It's a little bit louder obviously because we're inside, but there's basically no tone to it. It's just your stock exhaust. It's really quiet. Still really cold. It's quiet enough to where at stoplights when I'm riding with all of my friends that have exhaust, I can't hear my bike running. So that has to change, which it is now. My TIG welder just came in, so I will probably be making some videos on that too, but I haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this started, and I'll put you guys on my head and we'll get to tearing this bike apart. All right, I got you guys set up on my TIG welder box that just showed up. I'm gonna do a little unboxing here. Just for weight references, I weighed myself, I am 160.6 pounds right now. I'm gonna weigh myself with this, and I'm gonna weigh myself with the stock exhaust when it comes off, so that way we know the exact weight difference and how much each one weighs. This was also wrapped in a big black plastic, which I imagine was just for like rain, shipping, keeping it dry or whatever. Should have cleaned my garage floor before I did this, but oh well. There's really not much to this exhaust, guys. It's literally just a little 4-in-1 slip-on with the headers. That's obviously the spring kit. I'm not gonna weigh the hardware because it should be literally equal on each side, or on each exhaust. Oh, they're all separate. Okay, well. Oh, they're numbered too. Check that out. See, they got little sticker numbers on them. That's cool. That's helpful. Ooh, that looks good. Got the nice little metal engraving on there, Voodoo. So obviously they're number 2. Check that out. You guys can see that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's the collector. The 4 primaries will go into that, and then it'll stick out the side. And the slip-on will go right into that, which, look at that. That's awesome. Looks good. There's no baffle, which is good because I was going to take it off anyway. So that's going to be super loud, which is exactly what I want. I don't know if I'm going to hook you up behind me so you can see everything, or maybe on my head so you can see me as I'm doing it. I will have a video pulled up on my phone at the same time because somebody does a really good tear apart on this bike. I got bugs on my frame, on my headlights. So yeah, I'm gonna have a video pulled up. I'm gonna start tearing this down, and I will probably set you guys up maybe behind me in a time lapse or something. All right, I'm really curious to see what the sound like. Open headers. That's loud. This is what the bike looks like right now. I would really, there's a stock exhaust over there. I would really suggest looking up a video on this if you plan to do this, because it is a lot. There's a lot to these plastics and to the little fasteners that you got to get that you just wouldn't think about. So we'll go ahead and get back into it and try hooking this thing up, and then we'll see if I can start it tonight. My Woolwich racing stuff's not supposed to be here till tomorrow, so I don't know if I should start it, but we'll see. So I'll get you guys hooked up back and do another time lapse, and then we'll get this thing finished. Okay guys, I just wanted to go over a couple things. I got the stock exhaust off. I just wanted to show you. So the weight of, I just weighed the stock in the Voodoo exhaust. So my weight is 160.6. With the Voodoo exhaust, it was 171.6, so that was an even 11 pounds. And then with the stock exhaust, it was 201.8, which is 41.2 pounds. So we lost 30.2 pounds on the stock exhaust to the Voodoo. So the Voodoo exhaust is 30.1 pounds lighter than the stock exhaust. So that puts the bike right at like 560, 550, somewhere around there, give or take, with like fluids and everything. So yeah, that puts it like probably right around first gen Hayabusa range. I think that's about how heavy those are. So I assume you guys can see me. So everything's on. I don't know how good it's gonna sound. It'll probably have a little bit of sputter because I haven't gotten a chance to tune it. I just have the stock O2 in there. So I'm just gonna do this for the sound, and then I will take the O2 back out and I'll tune it, and then probably that'll be it. So yeah, let's see what it sounds like. Definitely have a exhaust leak up in one of these headers. Gonna have to figure that out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and actually let that warm up and see if that exhaust leak doesn't go away. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to keep tightening. If it does, I'll be happy. But that'll be the end of this video. We'll see you guys later.